Hey guys, welcome to Miata University. I have a quick tip for you. We've got a open differential here that has the two-piece axles. You can see that the axle is still attached to the differential. I've been told by some people to just use the axle attached to the upright or the hub right there to yoink it out while it's still attached, the whole axle, except I broke my axle doing that. So I'm not doing that anymore. Instead, I found a top tip for you guys. Go to AutoZone or whatever O'Reilly Advanced, rent these tools. I got an axle puller. Here's the OEM 27032, and then get a slide hammer, the OEM 27033. What you're going to want to do, put your slide hammer on the axle puller. You'll notice that if you set it in the middle like you want to, there's not enough room to put the bolts on, so you'll actually have to kind of finagle it on the edge. Take your nuts, secure your nuts. Guess what? Wow, so easy! Don't make the mistake I did and ruin your axles. Now I gotta go spend like $130 for new axles. So that's a top tip. If you're wondering why we're doing all this, I'm putting a Torsen in my car, and so I'm swapping stuff around. The diff I got came with single piece axles, so I'm gonna have to convert them. Of course, now I'm buying single piece axles at this point. And hopefully at some point we'll give you a tour of what's going on. I know it's the first video in a while, so I'm thanking you guys for checking us out, but we'll be back in business soon, I promise. So see you around.